You can now enjoy healthy versions of your favorite foods with the DeLonghi Lavenza Air Fry Convection Oven. Create quick, crispy, golden results with little to no oil. Precision heating elements and a built-in fan rapidly circulate hot air evenly around your food. Preheat up to 60% faster than conventional ovens and maintain precise temperatures inside, resulting in 30% less heat off the glass door. The DeLonghi Lavenza Air Fry Convection Oven eliminates the excess energy and heat of a full-size oven. Function and precision are combined with a beautiful design that complements any kitchen. Spacious enough to cook for friends and family, yet compact enough to fit comfortably on your counter. 9 easy preset functions take the guesswork out of cooking every time. Air fry, toast, convection, reheat, pizza, cookies, bake, broil or grill, and keep warm. This versatile multitasker has you covered. An interior light ensures you can monitor what's cooking at all times. And cleanup is always a breeze thanks to the non-stick, scratch-resistant interior. Enjoy healthier meals with delicious, crispy results, save time and space. All thanks to the Lavenza Air Fry Oven.
Introducing the Smart Oven Pro by Breville. 10 menu functions suggest the ideal cooking temperature and time. And you can watch it all with the interior oven light. Let's see it in action. Toast, roast, bake, broil, slow cook and more. The Smart Oven Pro, brought to you by the food thinkers at Breville.
Cuisinart Chef's Convection Toaster Oven is in a class of its own. With 15 cooking functions and 1,875 watts of power, it earns every compact inch of space it occupies on the countertop. Choose a traditional cooking function or select unique ones like Dual Cook and Speed Convection. Dual Cook combines functions for sequenced heating, and Speed Convection gets right to work cooking foods with no preheat. Choose from the Cuisinart family of toaster ovens and bring an amazing array of features home today.